lang.
A four husband, with a four husband and one foreigner. Why you guys separate with the foreigner?
Because he's married.
He is married and
Yes.
he have a child with you. Oh my God. If you are watching this, he's still alive.
No, she's in Australia. She's still alive.
He's still alive in Australia.
Mhm.
So if you are watching this, be a father of your son because he's struggling now with the life and being a mother. Yeah, because she have a children from the Filipino husband, four Filipino husband, right?
Mm.
And the one foreigner.
Mm.
Okay, so
Three, two, one.
hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It's me again, Chi from the Philippines. And for today, we have a guest, a pretty guest. What's her name?
Regina Sidlaw.
Regina Sidlaw. This is okay. Regina Sidlaw. Okay, we can call Gina for short. How old are you?
35.
35?
Mm.
35. Pretty and young. Sana all. So, so 35. Do you have children, right?
Yes.
How many children you have? Gusto mo tingog.
Ano ba hinangli sa pito man?
7.
7.
Okay, 7 children. So, I remember before you date a foreigner,
Yes.
where did you meet that
And
foreign?
Boracay.
Boracay?
Mm.
So, how many times you been in Boracay?
4 years.
4 years. Oh, okay. 4 years in Boracay. So, how did you meet that? By friends or online?
Because in tourist spot.
Okay. So, you are a tour guide,
Yes.
just like that, tour guide in Boracay. So, how old he is?
50.
50. But you guys are separate now, right?
Yes. Yes. Australia.
Australian. He is from Australia, guys. So, but they are separate now and they have a one son. What happened to him right now? Do you still have communication or
No, because I was married.
you are married now with the Filipino?
No, I'm single.
Single now?
Yes.
Wait, pretty single. Okay, still single now. With how many child you have? 7?
7.
So they are how many girls? 5?
5.
5? 2
And
boys?
2 boys.
Okay, so the one son is foreigner and the 6 children is from the Filipino. So how old you get married or I mean you have child before? You are 15 or
Yeah,
something?
13.
13?
13.
So she have a daughter when she is 13 years old. Okay. So how's your life now?
It's not
Single?
good.
It's not good.
Yes, I'm hard.
So I think you are now in difficulties because you have 7 children. Okay, so she have a daughter when she is 13 and now she have a 7 children. The 5 girls and the 2 boys, is that? But one boy, one children is of the father is Australian. So, what's the life having a 7 children? Is it hard?
Yes, because I only support.
So, do you have work for now? You are working?
Yes.
Where?
Sugar cane.
Sugar cane. So, she's planting a sugar cane. And where is your children now? I mean, the elder children. Like, who's that?
Gemma.
Jima. How old is she, Jima?
This is 18.
18
18.
years old. Okay, you have the children when you are 13 years old and now they are studying.
Yes, he's working
He is a working student in Dumaguete.
in Sibulan.
Sibulan. Okay. So 18 years old. So guys, 7 children with pila ka nila papa?
Sa isa-isa lang.
Oo, isa-isa lang.
Sa
Ah,
isa ka papa, isa.
okay.
Si Kano isa.
Okay.
And then si Ikuan, si Jima, duwa ka magutod.
Okay. So I think 5 husband. 5?
Apat lang.
4 husband with a 4 husband and 1 foreigner. Why you guys separate with the foreigner?
Because he's married.
He is married and
Yes.
he have a child with you. Oh my God. If you are watching this, he's still alive.
No, she's in Australia, she's still alive.
He's still alive in Australia.
Mhm.
So if you are watching this, be a father of your son because he is struggling now with the life and being a mother. Yeah, because she have a children from the Filipino husband, 4 Filipino husband, right? And the 1 foreigner.
Mm.
Okay. So guys, she is a little shy because she has no confidence to speak English now, but it's okay. So 7 children with the 4 Filipino and 1 foreign. And how you sorry. Uh, how old is your first daughter? 18
18
and the second
20.
I don't know. Okay, 20 is the first daughter, 20 years old, and
15.
18 is the second, and 15 is the third. Then 10, then
Jansen Gagis.
Johnson is 10 years old from the foreign boyfriend, right? So I called here husband because they have a child. So okay, so you are now living. You don't have plan to work.
Yes, I want to plan my work.
Oh.
Maybe my friends invite me going to work in
Where?
in US.
US?
Yes.
US. Okay. So why you
So
don't try to work so you can help your
because I
children?
only agency, so I'm scared
okay. So you have plan to go with the agency.
because my son is no take care of her. So that's why.
Okay. So for now, you don't know who taking care of your child. Okay. So do you plan to date a foreigner again?
I big broken hearted.
She is broken-hearted with the past relationship. It is because of 5 husband. I mean, they are live in. You're living together, and
Yeah.
then after that you
And
separate.
then she living.
And then she's scared that if she have a husband again and they live.
Maybe I wish. I wish before in my birthday I get married white man.
White man. Wow. Okay, she was with when is your birthday?
October 11, 1985.
October 11. Okay. So are you 36 years old
Yeah.
at that time? So okay, be a mother and I know you are strong with that. So for now, what's your plan for now? You
So I want to decide. My friend from here in Kalamsukan,
who?
maybe she want to invite going to US.
She is
So-
offering you a job.
But I'm sad because my son is here in my papa and my mama.
Okay, so your parents were taking care of your children. So you need you need
I need your help.
you need help for now. It is because you are struggling with the finances and the food. They are very guys. They are very poor for now. I mean, how you get your food?
I working the grass and
Okay, so she's working with the sugar
sugar
cane every.
cane.
How much is the salary per day?
300.
300 per day. And look at the weather, guys. We're now very hot here in the Philippines because it's summertime and like 40 degree. But you are still working in the sugar cane
Yes,
in the farm.
it's very hot.
Wow, very hot, no? So, do you think you like to accept that job in the
Yes,
US or agency?
agency. Yes, I like work.
What's the work? What's the job?
Housekeeper or nanny.
Housekeeper. I think the salary is expensive, but you should be careful with the scammer there or that agency is
Yeah,
good for you.
sometimes I scared because the mini girl is working in US and quiet. So somebody come back again.
Oh, wait,
So
you
and
you worked before in Dumaguete, right?
yes,
What's your work before?
tourist spot,
Tourist, what do you
tourist
call that?
guide.
Tourist guide in Dumaguete. Do you know there's a lot of foreign in Dumaguete?
Yes, I have friend, but only friend.
You have friends. Okay. Do you know, guys? When I was young, I saw her that she bring foreigner here, and that's your boyfriend before, the Australian boyfriend. What's the name?
Peter Bertino.
Peter Bertino. Okay. So yeah, I'm so happy that you are willing to be interviewed right now. And guys, if you know, I know here since I was elementary because that time you are 13 years old and you have that child, right?
Yes.
So I remember that you told me when I was young to have a foreigner. But yeah, I wish your plan will be successful or you can meet good guys soon.
Yes.
What happened to your past relationship?
It's not good.
It's not good. Why? The first husband, what?
It's dead.
Yeah, the first husband is passed away. When
Uh,
is that? How old you are when that husband passed away?
this is
18. When you are 18. So okay. And the second husband, what happened?
she want to fight me.
Submissive husband. They are always fighting and you are
Yes,
hurt with,
I heard.
he always drunk or
Yeah,
something.
drink
Okay,
and
he is a
wine.
drunkard
Drink.
and he always have a whiskey and he can't be a father to your child. And how about the third? That is the Australian.
Yeah, at
Australian.
first, she's she promised me she want to marry me, but she didn't get promise. I
Ah,
told her.
okay, so he don't what he don't have any action with the promise that he promised you.
Yes,
Oh, okay.
but
And
she promised me she want to support, but cannot.
yeah, I remember before you told me that just Johnson father will support. He did.
Yeah,
He did support you. Disuportahan ka.
but I have only friends who support me. She give me a house. Atong last na ko nga friend, mauran to na support
Okay,
na.
so there's a one foreigner wants to support you
Yes.
before. And guys, that foreigner, they are just a friend, but the foreigner told here to support here. Not He's not the father of Jansin.
No. She's
Jansin is the half
Tio.
Filipino and half foreigner. Her son is half Filipino and half Australian.
Mm.
So yeah, I wish he can watch this and he can support Justin. Jansin, Justin,
Jansin.
just Jansen. Sorry. So he's a good, very cute son. And before I asked you, or there's a lot of people want to adopt Jansin because he is a half foreigner and half Filipino. Do you like adopt? Do you like? Some people will adopt Jansin. No, of course no.
No.
No, of course he is very cute because half Filipino and foreigner has a adorable, kid. So how old is Jansin now? 10 years old.
Yes, Agis.
Okay, 10 years old.
And
And he is high school?
no, she's grade 3.
Grade 3 with a 10
Yes.
years old.
Because
He,
nakaundang-undang.
he always stop. It is because he always stop. It's because you can't support them. right? You can support Jansin. So I hope guys, the father of Jansin can watch this, and you know, Jansin need some help right now because they have a hard life, and it's crisis now in the Philippines. So the father of Jansin, if you are watching this, she has a message. What do you want to say?
Peter, if you need your son, please you come here in Philippines. You look your son because I need you. Please help me because your son is need your help. So,
Yeah, if you are watching this, you can contact me, or she needs some help with the kids, not only for herself but for the kids. It's for Jansin, your son. How how long with you been together that
it's very long
foreigner?
time.
How many years?
Maybe, anong katuig?
6 years. You've been together in 6 years, and then you have a son. Okay. So I wish he can hear this, and because she's having a hard life for now. Can you tell us how hard the life since you have a child? I mean, how what's your parents now? How's your parents? They are still how old is your parents now?
50?
50.
Mm.
Your mother is 50?
No, is mas mamang ko rin 30 gud na. Ko rin
She is
na wala mas pamangya.
okay, she is 40, your mother is 40, and the father is 40, your father is 40. So since young, still have one family, or they are broken, like sometimes broken family.
Yes.
Yes, she have a broken family, guys. So I know that this is very hard for you. You are the first daughter?
Yes.
Yes, she is the first daughter. And
So I support my family before.
yeah, before she's working into Mugete and she support her family. So what is the hardest you experience in life?
It's very hard.
Very hard. Like what?
Like like working
Working
and
since young.
yes, and I only my own.
Yeah.
So
You are working alone.
yes, and my family did not help me. So I only support.
So you are the breadwinner.
Yes.
And but you have a child since you are 13.
Mm.
Okay. So is it hard? It's because sometimes no food. You experience that, right?
No food. I eat banana a
No.
day.
Yeah, no food. She experienced they have no food, and the banana every day because life is hard for them, and they are living, and you are living before in the forest, right? In the
Yes,
mountain.
in the mountain.
Oh, okay. So I forgot to ask you. Did you finish your elementary days or
Yes, I finished tutor, high school graduate.
high school graduate?
College.
Online.
Yeah, online.
Tutor, but guys, she don't know how will you know how to who teach you to speak English?
Because my friends, they want to adopt me.
Okay, you have it's foreigner, right?
Yes.
You have a friend in Dumaguete who wants to adopt you and
And
teach you how to speak English.
yes,
And then that a foreigner sent you
money.
and
And
then
give
online,
assistance.
yeah, and to pay that tutor.
Tutor.
Yeah, for how many months with the
5
study?
katuig.
5. Okay, but she still she still not don't have confidence to speak English. Just not like me. I'm trying to be confident to speak English. 5 years tutor. Okay. So where's your friend right now? Who teach you how who help you and teach you to
This is go back and Germany.
Germany?
Yes.
He's from Germany. Okay. So yeah, life is hard before, guys, because I know her. We are neighbors before, and I know her life. Like, she told me that life is hard, no food, or very poor. But okay, thank you so much for watching, and I hope she can find the father of Justine, and he's from Australia. And she asking a help if you can help here. I mean, from the ex boyfriend. You are not married, no?
No, I'm single.
She's not married with the 5 husband, but she have a 7 kids. So that's all for today, and thank you so much for this time that you are willing to be interviewed. And yeah, if you want to help Gina, I mean,
Regina.
that's Regina. If you want to that the father of Justine wants to help, you can message me or comment to my
Napakadun
in this
nila.
YouTube, in this video, so you can help. If you know that Justine is Jansin is still on grade 3, it is because no one can support. Okay, so thank you so much, guys, for watching, and thank you. Can you see bye? Bye. She's very shy. Bye, guys.